dude. I just got outside.
At 10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Pittsville, or 17 miles northwest of Wisconsin Rapids, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wisconsin Rapids and Lake Wazecha. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following county: Wood, Wisconsin. The current time is 10:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The following is a severe weather bulletin.